Hustlers, are you ready to learn 5 quick ways to make money online today? Number 5, freelancing. Put your skills to work and offer your services on popular freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Whether you're a talented writer, graphic designer, or programmer, there's a gig waiting for you. Number 4, drop shipping. No inventory, no problem. Start your own online store with platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Find hot products, set up shop, and let the sales roll in. Number 3, affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by promoting products you love. Join popular affiliate programs like Amazon Associates and start recommending products to your audience. Number 2, online tutoring. Share your knowledge and get paid for it. Platforms like VIPKid or Tutor.com connect you with eager learners. Set your own schedule and become an online tutor in no time. And finally, number 1, creating digital products. Turn your passion into profit by creating ebooks, online courses, or even selling your photography. Platforms like Udemy or Etsy are waiting for your talent. There you have it, folks. 5 quick ways to make money online today. So what are you waiting for? Take action, hustle hard, and watch your bank account grow. Subscribe to Cash Creators to unleash your online income potential.